Hello guys, the Bird Report here, and today we're going to be opening up 5-pack because I accidentally forgot to upload my video yesterday. So let's start it. And I let Yaya Torre or Cindy get on. And pop it. Oh, it's tradable? Okay, well I'm just gonna boom, 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 boom. None of these are rare, silver, rare gold. No, I'm just gonna... Alright. Now we're doing this. Oh my goodness. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, it's a special card. Alright. It's tradable. No way. 15,000 coins. That is actually really good. And I'm going to tell him, but I don't want it. No. I don't want to do that. I'm going to list on the transfer market for 14,000. Oh, okay. Alright, well, I'm going to get some coins, I hope. Oh, yes. Okay, we need these. And I'm going to put you on the transfer list. Okay, you sold. I need these for, I forgot what I'm called. FPT. Yes, I'm doing another one. And I got a grilled cheese here, so hopefully it gives me luck when I'm eating a grilled cheese. You know what I mean? Oh. I guess it does. Not. Okay. We're gonna do this one first. Germany, Cam Musiala. Hey, Roy thinks better than Musiala. And that's my opinion in real life too. Roy thinks better than Musiala. I'm kind of a Borussia Dortmund fan, but Belgium, Lukaku. That was an 85 plus. And I got Lukaku. Alright. Well, we'll quickly do another one. I'm addicted. I told you guys I'd never do this again, but I have to. Oh wait, I can't do this. It's over. Where's the triple one? Where's the triple? Triple. Come on. I don't care about these. That was a good grilled cheese. But as I'm recording this, I'm uploading another video. I can't find it. I can't find it. Is it an upgrade? No, I'm just gonna do these. Well, that grilled cheese was really good. Boom, 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 boom. Real cheap luck. Oh my goodness, it worked. I don't care if it's bad, it worked. If that was tradable, man. But a lot of FPT want team of the week, though, that would be good. I passed like a team of the year 3 times in a row. I think. But we also have to remember that I want something that I want very much. Where is it? Right here. But I can't get it. I'm very sad. I'm poor. And you got 871 coins. Come on, guys. I know it's a bad card. But I'm trying to do Gray Linkard. It's not going out very well because I'm too poor to buy him. So I gotta, do it the old-fashioned way, get him out of my club. I only need 4 more players. Wait, what? I want to buy it. Wow! Finally. Come on, pop up. Pop up. Pop up. You know what, how about 250. Come on. You know what, 300. I got that quick. Alright, now I can't. I gotta hope that one of my cards got sold. I'm gonna cut back a few if I complete it. Hello guys, if you're ever played here. And we got another 5 packs. I don't know how I got them all. So let's just open up. But first of all, we're gonna open up these first. Oh my goodness. No way. Another team of the week. Oh, I'm about to say Saka, but it's not Saka. Wait, these are tradable. It's not that much though. Wait, hold on. How much can I sell them for? Okay, I'm gonna sell them for 10K 500. I actually did for an hour, but that's alright. You know what, honestly? I'm just gonna put on the transfer market and blue. And I can only did for an hour. Cracking my knuckles. They feel pretty good when they're cracked. I don't know why. That was really kind of expected. Nick was the best pack, according to FIFA. How much are you worth? I'm not trying to be mean. Wait, hold on, guys. That's FC Barcelona too. I think. But why is it a couple delay? I'm confused. I'm not a turkey fan, but now I get connected now anyway. Alright, mega pack. Oh, come on, be good. Okay. Laundry! No! You're supposed to be a mega pack. College Naughty. Hey, that's pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. That's actually pretty good because I got one of the Pep Guardiola. No, College Naughty is a little bit better. But hey, we don't talk about that. Right. So this on again, just opening it up. Because Mason Matt. Alright guys, honestly, know what I'm gonna do? For good luck, I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna sing. I'm just gonna have a good day today, you know what I mean? You see, it worked, I was gonna sing, and then I get a bad goalkeeper. It's not that bad, actually. Where's the walkout? Yeah, 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 yeah. Da 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 da. Hold on, let's count that many walkouts. 1, 2, 3, 4 walkouts. 2 team of the week. Hey, Donnarumma. Why did Donnarumma look like a baby? It's adorable. Why did no, I don't want to quick show you. Definitely not. He looked like a cute baby. I was trying to be rude, but it kind of gave me about to cry. I thought it was adorable. But it's not going to be adorable where about to put him in FBC. Da, 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 da. Wait, what do I put him in? What FBC do I put him in? Huh. Let me look. Julian Brandt apparently really good. Only I can do this really quickly. Alright, come on. Done it back up, done it back up. Alright. Come on, where is he? Where in the world is he? Donnarumma. Yes, I said it like that. Donnarumma. Alright. Alright, you ready? Now we need a team of the week. And honestly, I packed this guy during the video, so we're gonna put him in, and now we're just gonna. Okay. Wait, honestly, I'm just gonna go into the gold rare. I don't want it to be a center forward, but I'll put you in. Alright, Lukaku. And then for this guy. Not Martinez, he's too good. I have to put him down. He did that in the what? Alright, so first of all, I'm gonna downgrade Lukaku. Wait, hold on. Oh, Roy. Underneath the tradable, right? I'll sell the one if it's tradable. I don't know Donnarumma is tradable. Yes, I'm saying Donnarumma. Alright, none are tradable. I'm gonna downgrade Lukaku. I love saying Lukaku. What? I downgraded it 5 ratings. I think I can downgrade Roy to Bring. Hold on. Do you think I can downgrade Roy to... I can. I think I got a game of can you downgrade? Alright, ready? Neto or a cold one? Okay. Now we're gonna do this. And I'm gonna cut back. And now actually, we're gonna open this one up. Yeah, I know actually I took that one. Yeah, give me that Donnarumma. Honestly, but the other one's really easy, so I'm just gonna, do it real. The only one I might have a trouble with is never mind, I won't have any trouble. Alright, Martinez here in. Boom, 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 and boom. Alright, I'm gonna downgrade Lukaku to a. It's not gonna work. It worked. Alright, well, we got him. We got the new Julian Brandt. Hey, I ain't complaining. I ain't complaining. We got another FBC player. But you already have Julian Brandt. I have 2 Julian Brandt. Hold on. This is gonna be the thumbnail. That's dribbling, passing, shooting. That's a little too good. Alright. Well, I hope you guys like. I hope you guys subscribe. And I'll see you later. Bye!